Look, you still got the motherfucker shit in your hand. Look at this one. Fucked up. Fucked up. Fucked up example. Okay. This dumb bitch just fell out the tree. This just fell out. You think you're a monkey, don't you? You think you're a monkey, don't you? Bitch thinks she's a fucking monkey. Walk down the street, see a motherfucking monkey in the tree. And then the monkey fall out the tree. What's under the mask? Come on. You just gonna stay there, huh? Stupid. Monkey fell out the tree. This shit go on YouTube. This motherfucker just fell out the tree. Motherfucker just fell out the tree. I don't know what it is.